The fully automatic shrink sealing machine designed for efficient packaging of boxed and bundled products. It integrates automatic feeding, film forming, sealing, cutting, and shrink wrapping into one streamlined system, supporting continuous operation with minimal manual input. Equipped with film waste recycling, wind circulation heating, and a Teflon-coated sealing blade, it delivers clean and reliable shrink packaging using PVC, POF, or PP films. Widely used across industries such as hardware, tableware, cosmetics, books, food, electronics, pharmaceuticals, and daily chemicals, it enhances product presentation and protection for retail and logistics.